If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. Do you remember what I said last time we met? Would you like to move a little closer now? I'd like to be as close.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I want to show you how I draw arrows in my bullet journal, and in the second part of the video I want to show you how I do a new type of calligraphy. Is a font that I always see on Instagram, and I think it's very cool, so I want to reproduce it for you. If you like videos about bullet journal, I invite you to subscribe to this channel because you can find a lot of content about bullet journal and a lot of tutorials about plan with me, weekly log, monthly log, type of calendars, different ideas for your bullet journal and inspiration. Also, if you like art journal too, I'm doing videos, a series of videos about that, so stay tuned for that because they are videos very exciting. I also invite you to follow me on my social media like Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr and Facebook, where we are growing every day and our art family is growing so fast, and I'm so happy that you guys follow me there, and I post almost every day. So now let's begin with the video. As you can see guys, I'm using my Stabilo pen, and for drawing the arrows I simply do straight line, and the first part of the arrow is almost the same, while I vary the last part of the arrow. I like to draw straight lines, parallel lines and dots, or I simply leave the first part white, and sometimes I fill up with the black color, or I draw cross lines or different shapes. You can draw, for example, little hearts or little circles or little triangles, rhombus, geometric figures. You can be imaginative, creative, so use your fantasy and have fun. In detail, I like to draw a flower or a feather, or I just leave the normal shape of the arrow, but I vary the shape. For example, instead of using straight lines, I do soft lines, or you can do not straight lines, but more flexible. For the calligraphy part, I'm using the Stabilo 68 pen, and I'm using the Easygo brush pen to do the hand lettering. In this type of calligraphy there are a lot of ups and downs. As you can see, I draw the vocals very little and other letters bigger than the vocals. This type of calligraphy is very elegant, so you can use it for your titles in bullet journal. And if you don't have brush pen, remember that you can always use watercolor. If you want me to do a tutorial about this type of calligraphy or other calligraphy for bullet journal, just let me know with a comment below. Don't worry if at first you mess up, because I messed up a lot of times. You need practice. Remember to tag me on Instagram with the hashtag #CarmenArtJournal so I can see your pictures about your bullet journal. Also, I want to remember you that you can find a playlist on my channel. The playlist is bullet journal ideas, so you can find there a lot of ideas and inspiration for your bullet journal. So now I'll leave you to the rest of the video. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you very soon. Bye guys.
you're finally right. You got me out of this feverish. Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. Stop time for you. I can't stop time for you.